Hello traders, welcome to another episode of our tutorials. This is Leading Forex YouTube channel. I welcome you. My name is Kofi, your admin for this channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about risk management. We already know Forex is a risky market, but before you sell or buy, you need to know how to manage your risk so that you don't get your account blown, so that you don't lose your whole money. So today's video, which is episode 16 of our tutorial, is going to be on risk management. You can have the best trading strategy. You can have the best trading tool. If you do not have proper risk management, you will lose everything. You will always see your account going down rather than going up. So today, I'm taking my time to explain to you what risk management is all about and how you can manage your risk in the Forex market. We have different perspectives to this topic, but today, I'm going to take one aspect of it, and I'll show you what I mean very soon. Now, let me also say that if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so that anytime we drop a new video, you will be the first to have it. Also, we have a whole tutorial playlist on this channel, and that playlist is known as Forex Training for Beginners. Forex Training for Beginners. So go to the playlist of this channel and then search for Forex Training for Beginner playlist. There is part 1, part 2, all the way up to part 16. So make sure you watch from part 1. Even if you are already an experienced trader, I still think there are bits and pieces of information in these videos that will actually help you or guide you in your way in terms of trading Forex. Is that okay? Now, apart from that, I am also asking you to do one more thing. So before you finish watching this video, there is another video I would like you to watch after you finish watching this video. And that video will help you to get this particular risk management topic clear or clearer. So this video on the channel, which I would like all of us to watch, is when you go to my channel, which is Leading Forex. This is the channel. Now on the channel, we have the playlist session. So we have about 3 different playlists that you will find on the channel. Is that okay? Or 4. But this is the Forex Training for Beginner channel or playlist I'm talking about. So there are so far 16 episodes in this channel. So you need to watch all this. I'm sure all this. Yes, that will help you. Now, apart from the playlist, which is the Forex Training for Beginners, there's also a video here, and that is the video I want to talk about. The video is here. That is Forex Margin. This video over here, Forex Margin, the real truth. I would like you to watch this video. It's very important. It's a twin video to risk management. So when you click on Forex Margin. Hello, traders. This is Leading Forex YouTube channel. So this is the video. I would like you to watch it. And then after you finish watching this video, I'm sure you will understand why I asked you to come and watch it. It will help you to understand the very topic I'm about explaining, which is risk management. Now let's go to our topic and then begin. Risk management. I already told you there are different perspectives, but today I want to take another perspective, which is very important to me, and that perspective is known as lot sizes. Is that okay? Lot sizes. That is the perspective I would like to go today. Lot sizes. Now, before you buy or sell, you need to choose a lot size. In other words, you need to choose a contract volume. The volume of contract that you are buying or selling, and it's termed as lot size. So when you go to your MT4, sometimes you will see volume, and then other times too, you will see lot size, depending on the type of MetaTrader you are using. If you are using MetaTrader 4 or 5, you will see what I'm talking about. Either you see lots or you see volume. For example, let me show you that of MetaTrader 4. So when I show you that of MetaTrader 4, I'm sure you see, okay, MetaTrader 4 is here. So when you look at this is MetaTrader 4. So if I double click on any pair, for instance, this pair, you see volume written here. Is that okay? The part that you see volume, that is the lot size. So over here, where I'm actually circling, you see volume. That is the lot size. Okay, so volume, this is the column where you choose the lot size that you want to use to trade. Is that okay? So this is what I'm talking about, all right? I've had people asking me, what is the difference between MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5? Let me take the opportunity to explain at once. MetaTrader 4 is the first software developed by MetaQuotes to be used for Forex trading on the internet. And like we all know, we always have a room for improvement, or we have softwares that demands updates or needs updates. So MetaQuotes decided to update their software, which is MetaTrader 4, which is MT4. So the upgraded version or the updated version of MetaTrader 4 is the MetaTrader 5. In other words, the MetaTrader 5 is an advanced version of MetaTrader 4. But because the MetaTrader 4 was the primary software used when Forex began on the internet, that was somewhere in the 1960s, we all started using MetaTrader 4 because that was the available software. Is that okay? So when you check brokers, you see that almost all the brokers allow you to use MetaTrader 4. And there are a few that have also subscribed or absorbed the MetaTrader 5. So some platforms or some brokers, they will tell you you can use both MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. So when you are creating an account, they will ask you what kind of account or trading software do you want to use, whether MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. But there are also other brokers that do not have the MetaTrader 4 as we speak. So the advanced version of MetaTrader 4 is MetaTrader 5, but they all do similar thing. Just that there are some new features you'll find in MetaTrader 5, which you may not see or find in MetaTrader 4. Aside that, all that you'll see in MetaTrader 4 is also on MetaTrader 5. Even some brokers have even decided to customize their own softwares or design their own trading softwares. So there are some brokers that they will ask you to download their trading software in order to enable you trade their currency codes or whatever will be the codes that they have for you as a trader. So that is also there. We also have other brokers that will allow you to use some other platforms like TradingView and the rest. But like I said, the universal software that was accepted by online brokers for trading is the MetaTrader 4. That was the first one. So it was later we had the MetaTrader 5, which is an advanced version of MetaTrader 4. So any of them that you might have, we have similar things, or you see similar features. Is that okay? Good. So back to the topic, lot sizes. Under lot sizes, we have about 4 different types of lot size. So let's talk about them. It's very important for you to know the types that we have. So the first one is the standard lot size. So the standard lot. Okay. And I'm sure we all know this. So we have the standard lots or standard lots. And then also we have another set of lot size known as the mini lots. And then we have another version known as micro lots. And then also we have another one known as nano lots. So we have these 4 main types of lot sizes. So let me put them here. Standard lots, mini lots, micro lots, and then nano lots. Is that okay? All these lot sizes are important in the forex market, so we need to know them. And that will help you to do your risk management. So let's take the least one, which is the nano lots. The nano lot is a type of lot size that is allowed on cent accounts. So if you create an account with your broker and that account is a cent account, you would be allowed to use nano lots. So cent account, what is a cent account? We know cent is the basic unit of a dollar. So the basic unit of dollars is cent. So the calculation here comes. 100 cents will give you $1. 100 cents will give you $1. Let me share this screen with you. Okay, so let me see. I have gotten some quotes I want to show to you in terms of cents. All right, so it's opening. So let's see this. Okay, good. If you can see this, I'm not sure you can see this, but I'll definitely try and bring it up. Okay, so I have some screenshots I want to show to you. So look at this one. Okay, this one can show. Good. So when you look at this screenshots, you will see cents to dollars. So we have $1 will give you 100 cents. The same way $100 will give you 1 cent. Sorry, 100 cents will give you $1. So $1 will give you 100 cents. 100 cents will give you $1. Is that okay? So if you know this, then it means, for instance, $10 will give you what? So $10 will give you 1,000 cents. $10 will give you 1,000 cents. Is that okay? So have it at the back of your mind that $1 is equal to 100 cents. Is that okay? Good. Now that you know this, why do some brokers allow you to create a cent account? The reason being that maybe you are new in the forex market, and so you have a strategy you want to try, but you really don't want to try it with your hard-earned money, which is so huge. Maybe you want to try it with a $5 money or $10 or whatsoever. So in that case, there are brokers that allow you to create cent accounts. So with a cent account, your $5 will become 500 cents. And then with the 500 cents, you can be able to use it to experiment your strategy to be sure whether your strategy can actually make profit or not. Is that okay? Yes. The same way, maybe you have just $10. You want to use it to experiment. So $10 will become 1,000 cents. So the broker will allow you to create a cent account, and you will see your balance being 1,000. You will see this in your broker, or you will see $5 becoming 500 in your MT4 or MT5, whatever trading software you're going to use to trade. Now, when you see this 500 or you see this 1,000, it doesn't mean that your $10 has become $1,000. It also doesn't mean that your $5 has become $500. It is still $5. It's just 500 cents. So here is the catch. This is where people who are scammers on the internet, people who want to dupe people on the internet by making money from them or taking their money without their knowledge do. This is what they normally do. They create cent account, and the person will deposit, for instance, just $10 into his cent account. And you as a trader will see his $10 as 1,000. And once you see 1,000, you think it is $1,000. You think it is $1,000. Meanwhile, it is just $10, but the 1,000 you are seeing is in cents. And you will see this trader showing you screenshots of trades, running trades that is in profit $500 or 500. You see trades that are in profit 500, 500, 500. And you are like, wow, this guy has a very money-making strategy, because you have seen his running trades. Maybe he has opened 5 trades or 5 positions, and each of them is running maybe 100, 100, 100, 100, and then 100. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all in profit, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. And you are like, wow. But the trader or whoever is showing you this screenshot will not tell you that the 100 you are seeing is not in dollars, but it is in cents. So in actual money, the 100 you are seeing is just $1 profit. So it means the trade has just made $1 profits, and you are seeing it as 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. So the one will take a screenshot like that, put it on the internet, boost it, and then show it to you that, okay, look, see how my system is making money. If you want this system, you can get it for this price. And then people rush for it. People pay. They put this screenshot on the internet or social media, Facebook and Telegram and the rest. And then they tell you that, look, I have a Signal platform, or I have a Signal channel, which is VIP. If you want to join and pay this, and you get this. You also have results like this. And you are in a rush to pay to join their VIP channels just because you have seen some outrageous results, an overwhelming results, and you are crazy to join the VIP. I am not saying that we do not have legit VIP groups. We do. I personally have a VIP group. Anyone that subscribes to learn Forex from me becomes a VIP member. So I have a group for that. And currently I have about 22 people in that group as a VIP. Is that okay? So I share signals and other things with people on that VIP group. So that is there. We have people who also provide signals with exclusive signals that are very good on VIP groups. So I am not saying that there are no such groups, or I am not saying that those groups are not legit or they are not money-making groups. They are, but the fake ones are many. And that is why I'm doing this video, to open your eyes so that you will not be carried away by certain results that you see on the internet. Those results could be coming from a cent account. Assuming the person is making a profit of 1,000 here on a trade. He has placed 3 trades. Each of them is in profit 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. And you are carried away. You want to subscribe to that channel. You want to pay for him to give you the strategy. You pay for it. And after making payments, you see that, oh, you've been duped. you've been deceived. At that moment, you can't retrieve your money. Your money is gone. So please don't be carried away by results that you see on the internet. Some are very deceptive. They are there to just convince you and to take your money away. I am also not saying that people are not making money or huge monies with Forex. Yes, people are making money, huge money with Forex trading. So someone could be showing you a result that is real standard account, not a cent account. It is possible. So don't get it twisted. Don't get me wrong. There are legit people that could be making legit profits with huge profits. It is also there. But if you scale this on a scale of 1:10, you get 9.9% of people who are fake, and maybe 0.01% just being the legit people. So it's actually so difficult. So you need to be careful and don't get carried away by results that you see on the internet. Yes, people are making it in that way. There are also people who use cent accounts to deceive people. In one of my videos, I made mention that there are several ways to make profits from Forex. People are making money or profit from Forex the bad way by deceiving people and taking their money. And there are people who are also making money from Forex the right way. They trade. They have systems. They teach people, they trade, and they are making their profits. So it is there. Any which way is there. But you need to be careful because the bad nut is so much on the internet today that if you don't take care, it will be difficult to differentiate between the bad ones and the good ones. It will be difficult. So that is why I'm teaching you some of these things to open your eye so that you don't just fall a victim. At least you can do further checks. You can ask further questions. And those who are on my VIP channel, they know how to check for some of these things. How do you check and know that the results this person is giving out there is actually legit? There are people who also create demo accounts, and those demo accounts are just like real accounts. You cannot be able to differentiate between real and demo. Meanwhile, the person is actually using a demo account. Meanwhile, you see it real. Meanwhile, it's a demo account. Yes, it's possible. Some brokers allow that. So the person will give you a screenshot, give you even his investor password to tell you that, look, this account is real. But you go into that account and you see that the account is not real. So you need to be very careful so that people don't just take your money away. I don't believe in taking people's money the wrong way. That is me. And so if you also believe in what I believe, then I think we need to be very careful, or we need to tread cautiously so that we don't fall a victim into some of these temptations. Is that okay? Good. Enough of this. Let's continue. So with cent accounts, we continue. With cent accounts, let me try to clear the screen a bit. Let me clear the screen a bit so that it will look clearer. Good. So with a cent account, the lot size that you can use is between 0.001 up to 0.009. So this is what you can use on a cent account, between 0.001 up to 0.009. But there are some brokers that will also not give you this nano lot. They will allow you to place a standard lot, but that standard lot is not a real standard lot. I will explain. When I explain standard lots, you come to understand. So there are some cent accounts that they will allow you to place a standard lot or a mini lot or a micro lot on it. They will allow you, but the account is also a cent account, which means in reality, that standard lot or mini lot or micro lot you are using is not the actual standard or mini or micro lot? I'll explain. Let's continue. So cent account, the original version of lot sizes you can use is 0.001 to 0.009. Now, this is for cent accounts. Any other lot size that you will use, which is not this, is a standard account or a micro account or mini lot size. So let's explain. The next one I'll talk about is micro lot. So from 0.01 or 0.001 to 0.009, we move to 0.01. So between 0.01 up to 0.09, any lot size you use here is termed as micro lot. And then from 0.09, we go to 0.10. So between 0.10 up to 0.99 is termed as mini lots. And then standard lot start from 1.0. So 1.00. So from 0.99, you go to 1.00. So from 1.00 up to infinity is a standard lot. Is that okay? All right. So take note. When we say micro lot, we're talking about a lot size that ranges between 0.01 up to 0.09. So when we say 0.01 to 0.09, we can have 0.02. That is also a micro lot. 0.03 is a micro lot. 0.04 is a micro lot. 0.05 is a micro lot. In that order, 0.06, 0.07, 0.08, and then 0.09. So all these are what? Micro lots. And then once it gets to 0.10, so 0.10, 0.11, 0.12, 0.13, in that order up to 0.20, and then it continues 0.201, sorry, 0.21, 0.22, 0.23, in that order up to 0.30, 0.30. So from 0.30, it continues to 0.31, 0.32, 0.34, in that order up to 0.40. So from 0.40, it continues up to 0.50. So from 0.50, you get 0.51, 0.52, in that order up to 0.60. And then again, it continues in that order up to 0.70. And then you get 0.71, 0.72, up to 0.80. Then it continues 0.81, 0.82, up to 0.90. And then it continues 0.91, 0.92, up to 0.99, which is here. So immediately it gets to 0.99. So if I use a lot size, which is 0.50, I am using a mini lot. If I use 0.20, I am using a mini lot. If I use 0.15, I'm still using a mini lot. If I use 0.12, I'm using a mini lot. So between 0.10 up to 0.99, you are using what? A mini lot. And then above that, from 1.00 upwards, up to infinity. So you can be using 2.0, 2.05, 2.5, 2 point whatsoever, 5 point something, in that order. Whatever lot size you use that is above 1.00 is a standard lot. Is that okay? Now, we need to ask yourself, these are the types of lot size that we have, but what are the value of these lot sizes? If I am using 0.01, how much is it in real money? Supposing I make 1 pip profit or I make 1 pip loss, what profit is it going to be in real money? What loss is it going to be in real money? This is where I want you to pay attention to. Is that okay? Good. Now, I'm going to use 10 pips calculation to do or to show you the real value. Okay, 10 pips. So if you are using a lot size, which is a micro lot, 0.01, every 10 pips is $1 or $1. 0.01, every 10 pips is $1. If you use 0.02, every 10 pips is $2. If you use 0.03, every 10 pips is $3. If you use 0.04, every 10 pips is $4. If you use 0.05, every 10 pips is $5. If you use 0.06, every 10 pips is $6. 0.07, every 10 pips is $7, in that order. So that is how you can use this to do your calculation. So if you are using 0.01 and each each 10 pips is $10. Sorry, it looks like my mistakes are becoming too much in this video. Please pardon me for this. Again, if you are using a lot size, which is 0.01, okay, and you know that each 10 pips is $1, then 50 pips will be how much? 50 pips will be how much? If each 10 pips is $1, then 50 pips will be $5. If you are using 0.02, 50 pips will be what? $10. If you are using 0.03, 50 pips will be what? $15. If you are using 0.04, 50 pips will be $20, in that order. So once you know that 10 pips is $1 with 0.01, you can easily calculate 100 pips. 100 pips will be what? I hope you understand. 100 pips will be $10. So if you have an account balance of $100 and you choose to trade with a lot size, which is 0.01, and you are targeting 100 pips, it means you are targeting $10 profit. The same way, if your trade should go against you 100 pips, it means you are going to lose just $10. So assuming I decide to use 0.01 on my $100 account, before this $100 will be wiped out, the trade needs to go against me 1,000 pips, because 1,000 pips with 0.01 will be $100. And you know that it will be very difficult for a trade to go 1,000 pips against you without going maybe in your favor for whatever number of pips you are looking for. Do you get it? So we are talking about risk management, doing proper risk management. So from this calculation, if you are using a mini lot, which is 0.10, 0.10, each 10 pips is $10. 10 pips is $10. 0.10, 10 pips is $10. So in that case, if the trade should go in your favor 50 pips, that will be $50. The same way, if the trade should go against you 50 pips, that will be $50 loss. So 0.10 as a lot size, which is here, just 50 pips against you will give you $50. So it means if you are using 0.10, which is 0.10, 0.10 as your lot size on your $100 account, and you are not lucky and the trade goes against you 100 pips, your whole $100 will be wiped out. Yes, because 0.10, 10 pips is $10. So 100 pips will be $100. So if the trade should go against you 100 pips with this lot size, it means you've lost your whole money. So if you are a trader, you ask yourself, what would be the right lot size to use with my account balance? Now that you know this calculation in terms of lot sizes, ask yourself, what is the right lot size for me to use? Is it micro lots? Is it mini lots? Is it a standard lot? Ask yourself. All right. If you are using a standard lot, which is 1.00, each 1 pip is $1. So 10 pips, sorry, did I say $1? 1 pip will be $10. If you are using a standard lot, 1 pip is $10. Yes. 1 pip is $10. Are you getting the whole thing? Yes. So you need to be very careful when it comes to lot sizes. It is the way to go. It is actually the way to manage your trade or your trade sizes. If you will lose money, it depends on the lot size you are choosing. If you make profit, it depends on the lot size you are choosing. So assuming, like I said, I am here, I am having $100 account. You are also here, you are having $100 account. And then I decide to use maybe 0.02 on my account. You have decided to use 0.10 on your account. Before my account will be wiped out, before my account will be wiped out, I need to have a loss of 500 pips. Unless my trade goes against me, 500 pips before my whole $100 account will be lost. But you, if your trade should just go against you 100 pips, your whole $100 is gone. So what is the right lot size for you to use? What is the right lot size? Whoa, my baby is crying. Anyway, so let me just wrap up this video. I have a baby boy now. Yeah, so congratulations to me. So let me quickly wrap up this video. My boy is saying daddy is talking, daddy is making noise, so I need to end this video so that my boy can sleep. So to end this video, this is just on the lighter side. Is that okay? So to end this video, all I want to say is that know what lot size that you are choosing. The lot size you choose will either make you win or make you lose. Assuming you have decided to choose a lot size of even 0.01. Okay, micro lot 0.01. So 0.01 as your lot size on your $100. And then assuming every week you just need $5. So $5 will be how many pips? That is 50 pips. So 50 pips will give you $5. So every week, all you need is 50 pips to give you $5. So in a month, that is 4 weeks, you'll be making $20. So before the month ends, your $100 is no more $100. It's $120 now because you have made $20 as profit. And $20 profit is 20%. That is 20% profit on your $100. Now, you agree with me that there's no bank in your country. I don't know if there's a bank like that. Maybe some countries may have a bank like that. But in my country, Ghana, where I am, there is no bank that will give you 20% interest in a month on your money. There's no bank like that that will want to give you 20% interest on your investment. Whichever bank you will deposit your money in Ghana here, there's no bank, there's no institution that will want to give you 20% interest in a month. Not per annum, I'm talking about a month. So you have decided to use 0.01. And at the end of the month, you'll be able to make $20 on your $100. That is $120 now. In the next month, you have made another $20. That is $140 now. In that order, ask yourself, in 12 months, what will be your interest rate? If each month 20, that will be 240 at the end of the year in 12 months. So with $100 investment, at the end of the year, you have made a profit of $240. And this is 240%. No bank can ever give you that in a year. So when we say forex trading, it's about you doing your own investment the right way, that you make profit better than your bank will give you or any investment company will give you. So this is what I want you to know, that when it comes to forex trading, it's not about making huge profit in a day or just overnight. No, it's about compound interest. It's about trying to gain interest on your money gradually. So in 5 years, in 10 years, if you continue making this as profit with just $5 a week, which is $20 in a month, ask yourself, if a year will give you 240, it means before the year ends, before a year end, your total balance is going to be 340. So it means you are going to use 340 as your next capital in the following year. So in the following year, ask yourself, if you are still looking for just 20% on your money as interest every month, because you started with $100 and you wanted just 20% interest, which was $5 a week. Now your total balance is 340. $20% of 340 will give you what? What are the mathematicians? 20% of this. So if it is 100% interest, 100% interest will be 34. 1% will be 34, sorry. $34 will be 1%. So times 2. Times 2. This will give you 8. This will give you 6. So it means at the end of every month, 20% is going to be $68. So in the second year, you are beginning with $68 every month. Now, $68 times 12. Let's see what will be your profit at the end of the second year. 2, 8, 16, 6 year, 2, 6, 12, 1, 2, 8, 6. So what will be your calculation? 6, 10, 7, 8. So at the end of your second year, your profit alone is $806. $806 plus your 340, which was your capital. So 840, sorry, 806, which is your profit alone, 806 plus 340. Let's see your total profit at the end of the second year, including your capital. Here will be 6, here will be 4, here will be 12. So at the end of the second year, your $100 has become $1,246. Now your next capital for the third year is going to be $1,246. And you are still just looking for 20% every month. Calculate that in 5 years, in 10 years, and see what you'll be having in your account. Whether you'll be making progress in terms of becoming a millionaire or not. So when we say forex trading, a lot of people don't understand it the way some of us understand it. And I want you to understand it the way I understand it, because that is the sure way to go. But if you understand it otherwise, making the bigger profits and it is working for you, fair enough. But we those who believe that forex trading is not about trying to double your account in a day or two, but it's about gradual compound interest. Then if you think that way, you are in line with me. Gradual compound interest, you are in line with me. This is just with a lot size of 0.01. Don't forget, all the calculation we did here is just with a lot size of 0.01 with $100. So this is how you can manage your risk. With this explanation, I'm sure you will be able to know what lot size to use. I am not going to choose a lot size for you. With this video, you should be able to select your own lot size, because any lot size that you will choose, you know how much it is in value, in real money. You know how much it is. So if you are losing, you know how much you lose. If you are gaining, you know how much you will gain. That is it. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you have a question, leave it on this channel. Comment, and I'll answer you. To those of you who have sent your messages, I appreciate them. Those of you who contacted me on Telegram and then on WhatsApp, I appreciate. God bless all of you. You can still reach out to me on Telegram or WhatsApp. It's also there. You can do that anytime. If you watch my other videos, you should have my number or you should have my Telegram link. So those of you who want to get in touch with me, just watch my other videos. I left my number there. I left my Telegram page over there too, link. So you can get in touch with me and then let's talk, let's vibe. Okay, let's discuss. Let's make business, which is Forex, together. Until then, I'll see you in my next video, which will be the part 17. So today we've just talked about one aspect of risk management. And like I said, go back and watch the video that I showed you. The Forex margin video is very important. Watch it, and I'm sure you'll get something in addition to what I have just shown to you. All right, I'll see you in the course of the week with another video. Until then, take care.